There can be some questions in which some frequencies are missing and the calculation of median has already been given. So let us see the questions when missing values are given, how to solve them. Let's take an example. Now this is a practical question which have been given to us. Class intervals with the equal difference have been given and frequency has been given, and these are the two question marks for these two frequencies. So in the mean section I told you how many values will be missing. According to that only the values will be given to you also. So here in the question has been given that your number, that is n, is 100 and median's value has already been calculated, that is 50. Now on the basis of these two available informations we have to calculate these two missing frequencies. So now let us give them the names. Let us give it x name and it y name. Now from here we know for the calculation of median we will be requiring cumulative frequency. So first will be 14, next will be 14 plus x, so next will be 41 plus x, next will be 41 plus x plus y, and after adding 15 it will be 56 plus x plus y. So this also will be, the total will be 56 plus x plus y. So now with the help of this we will be preparing two equations, as in this question two values are missing. If one value might have been missing, that would have been directly calculated from the formula of median, but here two values are missing. So now let's make use of this first. N has been given and we have calculated that n is 56 plus x plus y, and in the question n has been given 100. So here x plus y will be 100 minus 56, that is 44. From here we got our first equation, that is x plus y is equals to 44. Now let us make use of the second available information. Now median has been given 50. We all know that formula for median is size of n by 2th item. So n here in the question has been given 100. So 100 by 2, that is 50th item. Now when median has already been calculated, median is 50. So we can see that where this median will lie. But from this 50 we cannot make any conclusion because we don't know what is the value of x. For example, if here x is 100, right, or x is 20. So where this 50 will lie, we cannot make any conclusion. So in such questions, median has already been given. If median is 50, we can make out where this median will lie from these class intervals. So now we can say that median will be lying from 40 to 60 class interval, right? So if median lies in 40 to 60 class interval, so we will apply our formula, that is median is equals to lower limit plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F into I. So now let us put these values. Now here median has been given, put 50 over here. Lower limit we have seen it is lying from 40 to 50 class interval, n by 2 is 50 minus, so here our median is lying, so minus 14 plus x divided by f 27 into I is the difference of class intervals, that is 20. So from here we will get our second equation. Now from here calculating 50 minus 40, so 10 will be coming on the left hand side and it will be 50 minus 14 minus x divided by 27 into 20. So now let us take this 20 also there. So it will be divided 10 by 20 is equals to 50 minus 14 will be 36 minus x divided by 27. So we can now cross multiply. So it will be 720 minus 20x is equals to 270. So if we take this, so this 720 will be going there. So 270 minus 720. So from here we can calculate x, that is 450 divided by 20. So it will be 22.5. So now we have calculated our x. Now if we will put this value into this equation, x plus y is equals to 44, we can get the value of y, that is 21.5. That will be the final answer.